Okay, basically, the vendors were arrested yesterday, 14, for peacefully demonstrating at the townhouse. So basically, the police actually descended with the heavy force and attacked them and arrested them and took them to the charge office, where initially they were said to be charged with public violence, which of course could not stick, and then they opted for a lesser charge of disorderly conduct, which was not a charge which can also stick right now. So basically, we came to court today, and bail was granted. And we also gave complaints against the state that the police are now in a habit of arresting people who are demonstrating and exercising their right to constitutionally petition and demonstrate peacefully. So the magistrate gave a $50 bail for each accused person, and will be appearing in court on the 28th of July.
Maybe briefly, what does it mean to the infringement of the right to demonstrate?
Well, yes, basically it's a serious concern, given that the police are now in a habit of attacking everyone, and also it seems as if they are glaringly disregarding that the Section 59 of the Constitution, and it's a cause of concern. And I think the police should actually desist in that habit of attacking people who are clearly exercising their constitutional right. And also, when we go into court on the 28th of July, we should make a point that the judgment, the courts, frown at such acts by the police, and will go for a refusal of further remand, given that there's no offense that these people have committed, but the only offense that is there is for them, for them exercising their constitutional right to petition and demonstrate freely, because there was no violence, there was no one who was attacked. They were actually peacefully demonstrating to such an extent that when the police came, they sat down and held each other's hands and held out placards demanding for accountability from public officials.
There are also allegations that there was a move to make these people pay a fine at the arrest central. Can you give us?
Yes, it was actually a way after realizing that there's no offense. Trying to to clutch at straws. Because there's no case here, literally speaking. So they were trying to dangle a carrot that, well, yes, we lessen the offense and we make you pay a fine, so that it will seem as if they have done a favor to the clients, of which we refused that. And we said we are going to court and we are going to assert our rights. And this is a clear message to all Zimbabweans that this constitution is actually there to protect them. And if you petition, you demonstrate, you are there, you are protected by the constitution, and not even the police can infringe on that right.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Isusu tinoda kungoti tinge tichikwanisa kunge tichiziva kuti kana tichidemonstrata sezvo zvamira zvakadai, so kuti nyaya yacho yekuti tinobvumirwa kukwanisa kunge tichidemonstrata nekuda kuti constitution inotaura kuti tinobvumirwa kudemonstrata. Saka pakuuya kwataita tichipresenta kotika tanga tichitotya kuti pamwe wamwe wedu achasungwa, pamwe imhosva yekuti tademonstrate. Saka zvatadai soka tiri kutoda kutoenderera mberi nekudemonstrata kuti zvinhu zvedu zvavari kutora vanhu vekanzurwa wanga vachitozvidzorera. Tinoda kuziva kuti kwavanenge vachizviendesa kwacho zviri kumboshandei.